described as black gold or an integral part of livestock agriculture in Asia. With over 90% of global buffalo population present in Asia, 77.9% of buffaloes inhabit South Asian countries. India is regarded as a prosperous gold mine of buffalo germplasm resources as it harbors all the recognized high-producing breeds of this species. India is home to 57% of the world's buffalo population, which contributes nearly 50% of total milk production of the country. Compared to dairy cows, buffalo have high feed conversion potential, as they have larger rumen, slower ruminal movement, smaller rate of outflow from the rumen, and higher bacterial population activity leading to complete digestion, with the ability for around 5% higher digestibility of crude fiber and 4 to 5% higher efficiency to utilize metabolic energy for milk production. Buffaloes can convert poor quality roughages into milk. Buffalo can be maintained on more fibrous feed residues and hence have more scope for reducing feed costs. Buffalo milk is rich in fat content, usually ranging from 6 to 9%, and therefore is priced higher than cow milk and is more in demand for making various milk products. Buffalo are well adapted to the diversified agroclimatic conditions of the country and are more resistant to several bovine tropical diseases. Despite these merits, buffalo may have relatively poor reproductive efficiency. They are prone to exhibit reproductive disorders, including delayed onset of puberty, poor estrus expression, and, most importantly, low conception rates. Buffalo are year-round breeders. Although the rate of conception is higher during the cooler period, poor conception during other seasons can be attributed to nutritional deficiency during warmer weather conditions, silent heat, a higher rate of infertility of bulls in summer, etc. However, with intensive management and optimum nutrition, higher fertility could be achieved in buffalo.
Hi, I'm Dr. Masqati from Masqati Dairy Farms, Hyderabad. I'm a veterinary doctor basically, even doing my PG in quality assurance and dairy processing. We started our farm from basically 2 buffaloes, that too for personal family for our consumption. Now we have around 800 animals, from which 400 animals are in milking, and we are producing 3,000 liters of milk we produce from those 400 animals by clean milk production, and we even procure 2 lakh liters of milk per day, which is being used for producing high-end quality dairy products. We were facing few of the problems in our dairy farm, such as silent heat and many late heat and ROPs, retention of placenta. So after using the Alltech product, we have seen a lot of changes. Basically the condition of the animal, the color coat, and the fat, the percentage of fat have from 6 to it has been to 6.5, and the SNF also has been increased from 8.9 to 9.2, 9.4 sometimes, and we have the number of cases of retention of placentas has been gone down, and even the consumption rate of, we usually do here natural service only, we don't do AI, and so in that also the consumption rate is over 70%, and that is really nice for a natural service. And thank you for your support always. Thank you so much, Alltech.